Hello everybody, welcome to our FAQ program, Frequently Asked Questions, where we will satisfy your curiosity about the blockchain technology. Right now, we are still in the When Terminologies Cause Confusion series, where we address overlapping jargons between the blockchain sector and other sectors, including the day-to-day, everyday terminologies. Yes, in the previous episode, we have talked about digital signatures and how in the blockchain technology, they do not refer to the handwritten signatures humans usually draw over digital documents. Instead, the digital signatures refer to the complicated cryptographic procedures used to safeguard data privacy on the peer-to-peer network. So now we will be talking about yet another confusing subject, block mining. Maybe people will confuse it with mining activities or drilling in an oil rig block, especially if they come across sentences such as, "Is block mining bad for the environment?" which we have already addressed on our previous podcast and FAQ episode. But the blockchain technology is strictly computational and mental based, so not involving physical extractive activities. So in this case, what is block mining? So, in blockchain, mining operations refer to the activity of node participants who validate documents and transactions distributed over the peer-to-peer network app by solving a mathematical operation which matches the private and public keys. These keys, as you might still recall from our previous episode about digital signatures, are part of the cryptographic measure used by the peer-to-peer network technology to safeguard the privacy of data in the blockchain. To ensure the privacy, although the data and information is stored across the peer-to-peer network nodes, only deserving parties are able to access the private and secret contents of this data and information. Each time node participants solve the mathematical operations and thus validate the transactions, they store the transaction information record in a small chunks on a ledger called a block. Thus, they are called miners and their activities referred to as block mining. These blocks containing small chunks of transaction information are then bound together or linked together with a chain to ensure smooth information flow and traceability. The mining operation can be bad for the environment for the carbon footprint they release of the computational activities. Yet, more blockchain platforms have come up with more efficient and less speculative mining mechanics to lessen the carbon footprint. And electricity consumption, of course. Yeah. That's all for our FAQ program today. Hopefully you find this explanation helpful. And what can we do to make our contents more accessible and down to earth? Submit your suggestions on the comment section below and help us get better.